One of the greatest features of Microsoft Teams is just how many apps are integrated into the platform. However, one of the problems this creates is having to jump between them. So let's say I was checking on tasks, while also replying to messages and trying to add events to my calendar. To do this, I'd have to be constantly clicking between the icons. However, rather than doing that, you can now simply pop out your applications into separate windows. For example, I'm in the Tasks app currently and I'd like to open a channel at the same time. If I right-click on the task icon in the navigation bar, I can choose to pop out the app. This will open the Task app as a separate window, allowing me to keep it open while still navigating the rest of Microsoft Teams. So, I could engage with my colleagues while still having easy access to my tasks over here. I can also move the window around and expand it, minimize it, and close it once I'm finished.